My name is Yhya.
My name is Caleb. I made a pig with a crown and sunglasses. Some of the problems were figuring out the nose because we had to hand draw it, and some of like the more tedious stuff, like we had to hand draw, like the tail was hand drawn.
For mine, I tried to make like stingray. Some like the difficulties with making the tail, because obviously like stingrays are pretty hard to make it in Tinkercad, and I wasn't used to it.
I think the fact that like we were able to, in the end, like you could eventually tell that it was a pig or a stingray, and then eventually seeing it printed, like the sunglasses and crown came out how I wanted it to, and the nose looked really good, so I'm proud of that.
It's kind of cool now to see that like I have the creation I made on a computer on here, and you could tell like it's a stingray and stuff.
Yeah.